Hey, 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 hey. I know you dance right now. You might as well dance. I'll give y'all a few minutes to dance to it. Hey, hey, oh, 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 oh. All right, guys, let's get into it. We had a little fun, but I am gonna let the music play in the background. So today we're gonna be talking about well, better, best, badly, worst, and worst. This is Mr. Scruggs, week 413 to 417. Let's dive in it. All right. So, for review, comparative adverbs compare the actions of a person, thing, or group to the actions of some other person, thing, or group. Superlative adverbs compare, and this is, I'm gonna make a box kinda because my handwriting is sloppy. Oh my god. Be like, Mr. Scruggs, what are you doing? So, so let me erase some of this. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna erase that. So y'all can see my box. All right, so the superlative. So the superlative is a superlative adverb compares the actions of a person, thing, or group to the actions of a larger group that is a part of. That it is a part of. All right, so using adverbs to compare actions, continue. So the adverbs well and badly are irregular. So for instance, well, the comparative is better, the superlative is best. For instance, badly, the comparative is worse, the superlative is worst. So, well, better, and best all mean the same thing. But based on it being a comparative and a superlative, it being an irregular adverb, we have better and best. Badly, we have worse or worst. Same thing, you're just saying it a little different. All right, let's do some practice. Ooh, ooh. Hopefully, y'all having a great time being at home. I'm not because I miss y'all. All right, so let's do some practice. So it says complete the sentence with the correct comparative and superlative adverb. Carl argued his point. Would I say better, best, badly, worse, and worse, or worse than Reed and won the debate? Well, we see well, so it either has to be better or best. So Carl argued his point. I'm gonna say better than Reed and won the debate. Let's see if that's right. Terrific. I know I'm terrific. So the next one, you should ask Ed for direction. He knows his way around well than I do. It's not well, but we do see well again. So if we see well up here, it's gonna say it's gonna be between better and best. So he knows his way around better than I do or best than I do. I'm gonna say better. I think it's better. Yeah, and I'm terrific. I'm brilliant. Ha! All right, the next one. Researchers have developed artificial cartilage that performs, we see that well, so it's either better or best. Better or best than real cartilages? I'm going to say better. Oh, oh, oh. It's better. It's better. It's better. Now I'm excellent. Hey, so L and C's. Now we see badly, so would it be worse or worst? L and C's worse with her glasses than with her contact lens. I'm gonna say worse with the E. WORSE. Ha! I'm correct. Because I'm smart. badly. And you're smart too. Ah. So I did worse on my second try than on my first. So tell me what's going to help me identify which one is which. This word did. Yep, I did worst with the T. WROS. Ooh, I can't spell RST. Oh, that was wrong. And I really thought that was right, but I was wrong. It's actually worse. I did worse with the E. Can't let that trick you up, so I asked you a trick question. All right, let's keep it moving. Emmett cooks the best of all my roommates, or Emmett cooks the better of all my roommates. I'm gonna say best. Yeah, I did a great job because I'm Mr. Scruggs. Yeah, my best friend has been knitting for years, so she knits far better than I do, and I'm right. All right, so of all the jeans I've tried on, the pair fits. This pair fits the worst with the T. That's right, and I'm tight. That's right, cause I'm tight. Hey, come on, let's take a break. Let's party. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, 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 oh. One, two. Oh, oh. We got a little more party for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do a few more and then we're going to be done. So it's clear that members of the Ashland debate team prepared, is it better or best than their opponents? I'm going to say, oh, I can't spell. Oh, I can't spell. Better than their opponents. Awesome, because I'm right. All right, two more. My nephews behave even worse when he's hungry than when he's tired. Well, I'm gonna say WROSE. How many of y'all think I'm gonna get this right? I think I'm gonna get it right. Oh, great job, cause I'm good. Hey, great job, cause I'm good. Last one. Hector is an incredible singer. Y'all think I can get this? I think I can get it. Who believes I can get it? I don't care, cause y'all haters. But he dances the worst of all the cast members. I'm gonna say WROST. Hey, I'm awesome. Hey, listen, guys, that concludes today's lesson. Y'all have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.